Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, we're still programming unassemblize tour, making the GUI. Okay, so last video I said we will refactor this big function a little bit, break it down into smaller chunks. Okay. It should be fairly simple if we don't screw it up. Okay. So group disabled. Push item. Okay. Button label, dialog title. Let's use 4 times. This as well. Maybe this should be a member, class member, or we just make it perhaps we put it here. Put it here, namespace. There we go. Construct, we name it G browse file button label, browse file button label, and this one is select file dialog title. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna make it const. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that is that. Okay, what else? So we have this, yeah. We also have this thing here, descriptor evaluate used a couple of times. I would say the simplest method is to simply put it in here. Put it here. Scriptor, yeah. It's okay, a little bit of duplicate work. Doesn't hurt that much. Put it here. Yeah. Well. It basically has to allocate every frame, right? This thing. Yeah, it would be better to cache it. It's a bit of a waste. Can we do it somehow else? Well, we can always pass it into functions, but that makes our functions more complicated. Okay, passing descriptor, that of course we would do. exe, exe, evaluate the exe file name. Footer. First. Yeah. Okay. File manager body. File manager window, file manager body. Okay. File manager footer. I don't know if that's a good name, but let's go with it for now. Footer, good. So, body. Put that here. Ta 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 ta. Okay, and we take all this stuff here and we put it here. There we go. Okay. And then we can remove this, and hey, voila. That's a footer. Okay, file manager footer. Good. Then we put here file manager void file manager descriptor buttons, descriptor actions. All right. Descriptor actions. There we take this action buttons. Okay, and then we remove okay, we did a mistake. Somewhere. Oof. Okay, we screwed something up. Maybe. Okay. descriptor. 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 Okay. The erase index. Size T, erase index. Erase index. There we go. Erase index. No, we do bool erased. Erase. Erase equals true. Well, let's just erased. 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 Bool erased. Bool erased. Descriptor erased. If erased, erase index that. There we go. All right. And then we have pdb config file. Config file. Okay. File manager. Descriptor. pdb config. Descriptor. Put that here. Take all this. All right, so we remove that and that, and we have a problem. Index. All right. Alright, size T index. Index. Descriptor. EDX. Good. PDB file. PDB file. a file. Take this and that. Okay. Index. Good. PDB file. Okay. exe config file. Copy of that. exe config. PDP. All right. All right, slow and steady. Okay, we take this junk here, exe, and it goes here, edx, yeah. And we find the file name. Let's do a const std string exe file name size t. There we go. Okay. Descriptor exe file name I index. Okay, and then the last one is this. Put that here. Index. Okay, and this is exe config. There we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and just like that, the function is a little bit easy on the eyes. Yeah. A little bit. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Maybe we can simplify this here more. I mean, if we evaluate exe file. What we can do is we can, every frame, we clear a cache in the program file descriptor. program. Let's see. Program file UI cache. UI cache. And in here we put std string. Evaluated exe file name. Evaluate. Let's make it shorter. Exe file name. Exe config file name. And a pdb config file name. And we add a function void clear. Here, clear. All right, and we put dot clear. Clear. And we put the program file UI cache. Put it here, cache, UI cache, UI cache. And then evaluate. So the question is, do we want to evaluate once competition? Evaluate. Let's see. Evaluate. Can load. The problem is that if you cache, you can introduce silent bugs if we do some mistake somewhere. So that's not good. evaluate. Well, well, we can. The cache is not a bad idea. The question is basically. Where's this changed? This is changed on main thread. This is called a main thread. This is also on main threads. And this as well. This is all changed on main thread now. So we no longer suffer any erasing. Yeah. This is all on main threads. Okay, that makes it simpler. Must be more. All members must be modified by UI thread only. Exe file from PP. UI cache. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Let's make a copy of this junk here. And we create a copy of this. So, so here we say here. type. So a descriptor. Descriptor dot UI cache UI cache exe file name descriptor evaluates exe file name. There we go. Okay. Exe config file name. Config file name. And exe. I think we can remove this here. Exe pdb config file name. Pdb config file name. Okay, there we go. And then we say so now everywhere where we edit this will evaluate to nothing. Let's add a function here, void evaluates all. Evaluates. Yeah. updates UI cache const. Maybe say updates. Is a cache evaluated exe file name. Cache evaluated that and PDP and cache evaluated all. Okay, and put that to the top. Okay, so cache. All right, put that here, there. Okay, so what we do is we call all functions. This, it should not be const. Const. I just realized that we are missing something here. Okay, and here we need to say UI cache dot exe file name is evaluate exe file name. There we go. And this exe config file name, exe config file name, exe pdb config file name, pdb config file name. There we go. Okay, and then we go to UI cache. Okay, can load executable. We should rename this evaluated. I mean, it makes the name pretty long, but I think it's better to be clear. Evaluated exam. Evaluated PDB. There we go. So evaluated PDB, this thing, evaluated exe, this thing, evaluated exe file name, and we say UI cache. There we go. UI cache. All right. Good. Evaluates. Cache. Yeah, cache evaluated. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to here. So we say the script cache evaluated or evaluate. I think this naming is terrible. How about we rename it to evaluate and evaluate and cache. Evaluate and cache. Cache. Evaluate and cache. Okay. Good. And then put that here and we delete this. There we go. Then we have another in-place bag somewhere. In-place bag here. Add file. Add file. Back. Evaluate and cache. Okay, and now what we do, whenever we change one of these guys here, then we evaluate and cache. So okay, so the script it introduces inconsistency here. That sucks. problem. Same here. Tooltip. Odd. Oof. Yeah, I don't know. This is a problem when we have to cache states. Okay, can we make it more robust? Yeah. Okay, so this thing here, this one is descriptor clear. Descriptor evaluate and cache exe file name. Same here. It's here. Okay, PDB config file name. Okay, let's search for this. PDB config file. So, it can be edited from here. So we say if that, then descriptor dot evaluates else Hold on. Ah. The problem is we have to maintain too much state if we do this. I'm not sure if it's worth it. I don't like this. It makes the whole thing way too complicated. Yeah. Can we simplify this? What we could do is we could evaluate once every frame. That would already reduce allocations. So what happens right now, we will allocate every frame multiple times, these evaluation strings. Yeah, because it's called many places multiple times. Keeping all the states updated individual at all the right places is quite error prone, so I don't like that. It is possible, but it's error prone. Easy to make mistakes, and then you are out, state is out of sync, and then that's not good. So I think the simplest option is to cache once every frame. Evaluate and cache all. Yeah, I think that's the best. It's easiest, yeah. Let's see. So we remove this. And we remove this. Move this here. Okay. Okay. Then we go to oh, yeah. Update. Update F. Update F. Okay, for program file descriptor, PTR descriptor, program files. Descriptor dot evaluate and cache. Why is this? Ah. Okay, let's rename this to updates UI cache. Okay. Update UI cache. Then we remove this thing and this thing and this thing. And that's still bad. Like, so for example, here we have, where is it? We have this one function here, loads exe async or something like this. Here, where we change it, then we call this. Yeah, very I can say. I don't know. Maybe we just leave it. I rather not have bugs. I rather not have bugs. The problem is here we have to go every time, do these checks, and allocate. Make a copy. Okay, how expensive is this? So this is one allocation. I mean, it's not free, but it's not the end of the world. Here we probably have some allocation, depending on the size. There's an allocation, yeah. There will be some allocations multiple times. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like it, but let's remove this. It makes it too complicated. Updating the UI cache state, I think it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It just makes it complicated, and we will make an error now or later, and everything will fall apart. It's not good. Let's not do it. Yeah, time wasted here with trying things, but okay. But this is an interesting thought. When we update this text, yeah, we can do this. Okay. Okay, here we have exe file name empty. So I would say exe file name, exe file name empty. File name. Okay, let's see where this is called. Here, exe file name. We take this thing. Okay, exe file name. Exe file name. And yeah, we trust in the allocator. Allocator will make it fast. Yeah. Some frame allocations are unavoidable, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's remove all this and this. Right. Okay, exe file name. Tree node. Okay. Good. Then, yeah, let's delete this. It would be nice to cache this, but it's not worth it. The problem is that we have to keep everything in sync manually, right? As soon as we edit something, we need to update the cache, and it's hard because we edit it in multiple places in the file dialog, in the text field, and also here on some callbacks we added some things. And yeah, it's error prone. It's not good. So let's not do that. Yeah, keep it simple. Keep it simple. I tried though. Always trying. Good. Does it look good? I think so. I think it looks good. Yeah. 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 Okay. Let's see that we broke nothing. We broke something. We broke this. How did that happen? How did that happen? Oh boy. Huh. Yeah. I don't know how that happens, but that should be easy enough. Okay. Good. Load. Oh boy. Well, that's not right. Oof. Group. What did I think it's because this is in a group. There we go. Okay. Loads. Loads. Save. All right. Okay. Good. Remove. Remove. Add. Add. Okay. All right. I think that is fine. Game that. Browse. Game that. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. We still also need to add some marker here that the files have been loaded. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, we will do this in a follow-up. Yeah. Okay, I think everything works. Yeah. Okay. That is wrong branch. Good. Good. we should body. Okay, then let's see. We certainly used ImGUI scope, but we didn't use FMT. Do we need FMT really? FMT. ImGUI FMT. Text FMT. Text FMT. It's not really useful, isn't it? Yeah, I think this one. How about we rename this to utility, and we remove ImGUI FMT, and we go to CMake FMT utility. There we go. I can't write. Utility. Okay, I think it's correct. Jesus. Okay, compile. Good. So we have this thing. Yes. ImGUI scopes. I think here everything was fine. So, scopes. Delete, move, copy, paste. Okay, should we maybe make it a separate? Yeah, probably. Add ImGUI. Hold on. Reload all. Utility. ImGUI app. Scopes. That's okay. We can edit here in this one. Okay, so executable. Okay, so here we added Boolean to both of these. Overwrite symbols, okay. And here, if is fail, return false, otherwise return true. If is fail, maybe this maybe this should be a separate change. Hold on. this. Okay, PDB reader, also const, okay. fs fail, yes. Const, fs fail. Not fs fail. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's say improve improve config save improve config save loads functions in executable comma PDB reader classes config save load functions. Okay, let's commit this. Let's stash. Oof. We have compiler. Okay, this works. Then back, stash pop. Then let's go here. Include fmt core h. Oh, Jesus Christ. Visual Studio being shit. Yeah, of course. Okay. That's that. Next. Next. So we added a bunch of things to here. Compare. Do we still use this function here? I don't think so. Same. Okay, input type. I think we no longer use this. So if we remove this, and this, CSTR, I think this will compile just fine. Good, so we added this thing and this thing. We change this and this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, fuck you. Runner. Do we have any other str case compare? Yeah. util equal no case. Includes util.h. Maybe we should rename this to equals no case. Equals no case. util.h. util.h. Okay, let's search one more time. Okay, equals no case. Strings.h. Strings.h. Okay, remove this. 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 Okay, I think this might compile. No. Skip unknown symbol. Prefix size. Okay, looks like for this we need includes strings.h. Equals no case. Okay. Options equals no case. All right. Equals no case. Yeah. str in case compare passes and size. This is fine for now. We could probably, I suspect this you can just use the same way. Since we have a string view, we can just make the string view shorter, right? Okay, at new util at util equals no case util compare no case at util to lower no case. Okay, hold on. Reverts comma. Okay. Good. Let's see if it compiles. Stash. Compile. Okay, good. Stash pop. Okay, next. Okay. I'm not sure why I added the IO stream here in runner. Why is this there? Just case util equals. Okay. Why is this there? Okay, I would say we can append this to the previous change. All right. Good. So here in this change, we added a bunch of things. Add this runner, load exe, load pdb, save config. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so what we did here is we add loads exe, load pdb, save exe config, add runner functions to load and to load exe, comma pdb, and save exe pdb configs. Config to load exe pdb and save exe pdb configs. And add maybe we should not have the work queue stuff yet, just a runner. Just runner. Okay, let's unstage this one. Add runner functions to load exe pdb and save exe pdb config. Save configs of exe pdb. There we go. Save configs. Okay. Commits. Okay. Stash. Compile. All right. Next. Stash pop. And now we do the work queue. So the work queue we edit add work queue commands for commands to load exe pdb and save configs of exe pdb and add callback add callback functionality. Add callback. Add queue. Add commands callback functionality. Or add queue callback functionality. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I hope this will work because we also changed the stop function and removed join. I'm not sure if this will cause compiler error against imgui app. Let's see. Let's commit this. Stash. It might. might cause compile error if we already use it here. No, doesn't. So we didn't use it yet. Okay. Good. Stash pop. Good. Next. Well, that just leaves the imgui up. Imgui scoped. We can add this separately. Add imgui scoped.h. Add utility imgui scope.h. Commit. All right. Okay. Have init. Yeah. Okay. Can't shut down. Break. Good. Then let's submit that. Work queue. Yes. Program file descriptor. Window placement. Yes. Init. Blah, 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 blah. Updates. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, big blah, blah. Yeah. We should probably, imgui app. We should probably add another private here, just to have a separation between functions and members. So the functions here look good. Save config exe, yes. Tooltip, bunch of utility, which we have not used much. Overlay progress bar, that's good. Apply placement. Apply placement to next window. Yeah. File dialog. Okay. All right. And all these guys here auto load. Okay. Then we got this stuff here. Okay. We added the configs. Config docking with shift, yeah. Then we removed a bunch of stuff. Okay. All right. Add default font. All right. Blah 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 blah. Can shut down. Blah blah blah. Update callbacks. Update app. Show app. Update app. Okay. This function. Load async. Exe async. PDB async. Save config async. Blah blah. Tooltip. Blah blah. Some of these functions could probably be moved to some other utility file. they're not strictly tied to ImguApp, but it's okay for now. Placement to the next window. Here. Ta, 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 ta. Okay. File manager window, blah blah, file manager open, blah blah. Okay, namespace. Okay. Okay. It's a lot of codes. Descriptor exe file. Yeah, I hope this is all correct. Sure, it's probably okay. Good. Then implement first version of file manager UI. File manager UI. File manager UI. Yeah. Implement first version of file manager UI. Yeah, it's quite heavy. A lot of code for this, but there's no way around. Good. It is possible that we have to make a complete overhaul of the work queue, because if this stuff is getting too complicated with the thread pool that we would want to have, then maybe it's better to use some other third-party utility that gives us all the functionality instead of re-implementing, because a work queue is not something unique, right? Other people have implemented such things. So I don't know. I mean, right now what we have, the work queue is not so complex. It's pretty simple. But if we want to have pools of threads, I don't know how easy it will be to implement this stuff. Could be quite difficult. I don't know. I have to say, we didn't hit the task yet that needs this kind of work. Right now, loading files, saving, and chaining, that's all that is really needed for the commands we currently have. But I guess once we get to, well, PDB loads, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, we will see. We will see. Yeah. I mean, we can still swap it out later, I guess. Yeah. Just important that we have something that works now. Yeah. Good. We have it all submitted. Then we can also push that to branch. Okay. Good. Let's give an update in here. Latest push to branch. Good. Anything else? No, I don't think so. I think we are done here. Yeah. Good. Then next step, I will clean up the work queue anyway. I would like to split the whoa, what happened? Okay, I would like to split the this stuff here from the actual work queue, from this. Move these things out. I don't think it has to be in here. Yeah. Finish. Yeah, we can move that out, I guess. Yeah, we would do a little bit of separation. Yeah. Okay. Okay, anything else? No, I don't think so. Good. So we do this next, the refactoring here. And I think we can also throw out this here, process exe process pdb. We don't really use it. And we can probably also throw it out here, this one, and instead use this for the command line. Yeah, it's a little bit of cleanup can do. Yeah. All right. Good. All right. Then that will be it. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.